One major challenge you will face when making puff puff as a beginner is getting this perfect round shape. Don't worry, I got you. We're going to be using the knife method, the drop method, and the thumb method to get a perfectly round puff puff shape even as a beginner. The first thing you need to do is to get a bowl of water and make sure that your palms are wet. This is very important while scooping and coating your butter into the oil. The second thing you're going to do is get your butter ready for you to cut and scoop. So what do? After preparing your puff puff batter and have allowed it to proof for 45 minutes to 1 hour, make sure you get your batter together properly. This process is very important. You wouldn't want to rush it. You need to deflate your batter because of loads of air bubbles that have accumulated in your batter after your batter have taken a while to proof. So just get your fingers, make sure your fingers are wet, as I've said earlier. Deflate your butter as much as possible. It will make it easy for you to cut or scoop your butter into the oil. It will make it easy for you to work with. So now we are going on now to the first method. Once you are done deflating your butter, cut a reasonable amount of butter into your palm, the one that your palm can take at a time. Do not cut so much. Get your butter to be comfortable in your palm. Press the butter in between your thumb and your index finger while moving your thumb towards your index finger. This will make your thumb to act as a knife, making it easy for your butter to drop into the oil. When I discovered this method, I was excited. The second method is this. After getting your butter into your palm, get the quantity you are comfortable with. Go on now to press your butter downwards. Just press your butter as if you're pressing a toy. Just press it and your butter will come out in between your palms or beneath your palm. This method is also beginners friendly. Whichever method you're going to be using, make sure you wet your palm each time. It just makes it easy for you to work with your butter. Yes. Now we are going to be going on to the third method. This is the knife method. Why you press your butter in between your thumb and your index finger, instead of moving your thumb like method one, just use the knife to push your butter into the oil. The unique thing about this method is that use a blunt knife or the blunt side of your knife and make sure you grease your knife with vegetable oil. This will prevent the butter from sticking to your knife and makes it easy for your knife to slide through the butter without stress, whereby giving you that perfectly round of recipe you've always wanted. I want you to comment in the comment section which of the method is your favorite. If you have been struggling with the thumb method or the improved eye gauge method, using the thumb rule of pushing your thumb towards your index finger while you press your butter out of your palm just makes it easy for you to get that perfectly round puff puff shape. And I will mention a few things here. When mixing your puff puff, make sure you do not add too much water. It makes it easy for your batter to be handy and also makes it easy for you to work with. If your batter is too watery, it will just drip out of your fingers even before you start cutting it. It will make it difficult for you to work with, difficult for you to manage, and gives your puff puff a very watery texture. I hope you've learned something from this video. See you in my next one. God bless you.